So this is a homogeneous system of linear equations. There are three equations and three unknowns x, y, z. Then this is the augmented matrix. Coefficients are 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 12. Then combine the constants. This is 0 here, so 0. Now, by a sequence of elementary transformation, we have to convert it into row echelon form. First number is 1. Below that it should be 0 here and here. It is 3. So this is to be multiplied by 3, then subtracted from this. So 1 into 3, 3. Now 3 minus 3, 0. You multiply this 2 by 3, then subtract from this. So 2 into 3, 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Then 3 into 3, 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Next 0 into 3, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Similarly here it should be 0. So this row is to be multiplied by 7 and you subtract from this. So 1 into 7, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 into 7, 14. 10 minus 14 is minus 4. Next, this you multiply by 7. 3 into 7, 21. 12 minus 21 is minus 9. Next, you multiply this by 7 and then subtract from this, so it will be 0. Next, here negative numbers. So you do this operation. Second row you divide by minus 1. Similarly, third row also you divide by minus 1. So this negative numbers will become positive numbers. Next, below this it should be 0. Here 4, here 2. So if you multiply this by 2 and subtract from this, here it will become 0. So the elementary operation needed is from the third row you subtract the second row after multiplying by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Then this 4 minus 4, 0. You multiply this by 2. 5 into 2, 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. You multiply 0 by 2. So 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So now we converted into row echelon form. Now this is the coefficient matrix A. Then here you see 3 non-zero rows. So rank of A is 3. Then this augmented matrix also there are 3 non-zero rows. So it is also 3. So in the case of homogeneous system of linear equations, always it is consistent. Always rank of A will be equal to the rank of augmented matrix. But in this case, it is also equal to the number of unknowns. So there will be a unique solution. That means there will be only trivial solution. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Now you find the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So 1 into, then 48 minus 40, then this minus 2, then this 36 minus 28 plus 3, then this 30 minus 28. So if you find the determinant, you are getting minus 2. This not equal, determinant of A is not equal to 0. So if a system of homogeneous linear equation is to have non-trivial solution, determinant of A should be 0. Here it is not equal to 0. So there is only trivial solution. So you can see determinant of A is not equal to 0. So there will be only trivial solution. If it is to have non-trivial solution, determinant of A should be 0. Let us see one more homogeneous system of linear equations. Here there are 3 equations in 3 unknowns x, y, z. So this is the augmented matrix. With the coefficient matrix we combined this 0. Then what we are getting is augmented matrix. Then by a sequence of elementary transformations, it is to be converted into row echelon form. For that term, here and here it should be 0. Then here 2. So this is to be multiplied by 2 and then subtract from this. So second row, you subtract the first row after multiplying by 2. So 1 into 2, 2. So this 2 minus 2 is 0. Then this you multiply by 2. So 3 into 2, 6. Minus 1, minus 6. So it will be minus 7. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Then 4 minus 4 is 8. Then 0 is to be multiplied by 2 and then subtract from here, it will be 0. Then third row you subtract the first row because here it is 1, here also 1. So you subtract 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 11 minus 3, that is minus 14. Then 14 minus 2. So it will be plus 2. So 14 plus 2 is 16. Then here 0 minus 0, 0. Then here then there is a negative number. So to make it positive, you divide it by minus 1. Second row is divided by minus 1. So that minus 7 will become plus 7. That plus 8 will become minus 8. Next, here it is minus 14. So if it is divided by minus 2, it will become 7. Then this 16 is also divided by minus 2. So it will become minus 8. Now here it should be 0. That means this elementary operation. From third row you subtract the second row. So 7 minus 7, 0. Minus 8 minus 8. So it will be 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Now we converted the augmented matrix into row echelon form. Then from this we can understand the rank of A is 2 because in the coefficient matrix now there are only 2 non-zero rows. In the augmented matrix also there are only 2 non-zero rows. So rank of the augmented matrix is also 2. But it is lesser than the number of unknowns because here there are 3 unknowns. Then rank is 2. So when rank is lesser than the number of unknowns, there will be infinitely many solutions. So there will be non-trivial solution. So from the row echelon form, we can write the equation like this. Here 1 into x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. From this here 0. So there won't be x term. Then 7y minus 8z is equal to 0. Last row 0 is equal to 0. Here there is no problem, there is a meaning 0 is equal to 0. Now 3 unknowns, but there are only 2 equations. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is a 1 parameter family of solutions. So 1 unknown we can give a arbitrary value. So now z we give the value t. Then using that we can get y. In this equation you put for z t. So 7y is equal to 8t. That means y is equal to 8t by 7. Now you substitute the value for y and z in this expression. X, then you can get x. X plus 3. For this y, you can give this value 8t by 7 minus 2. Then this z we can give the value t is equal to 0. Rearranging, you can get the value for x. X is minus 10t by 7. So this is the x value, y, z. Now by giving values for t, we can get many solutions. For example, suppose you give for t 7, you will get this value t7. So that 7, this 7 will get cancelled. So it will be, y will be 8. Then t, when you give the value 7, 7 will get cancelled. So minus 10. Similarly, you can give values for this t. For example, suppose t again you are giving 14. Now here if you give 14, that 14 divided by, so now t you are giving the value 14. Then this 14 and 7 cancels. So 2, 8 into 2 it will be 16. Then t you are giving 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So it will be minus 20. You will get another solutions. So there will be infinitely many solutions. So thank you for watching.